Hi guys, this is Deborah, and these are my daughters, Isabella and Gabriella, also better known as the Cool Girl Society. And we are going to do a Tarte unboxing. Okay, here we go. Let's see, what did we get? We got Tarte Skincare, Blemish Pooling. We got Tarte High Performance Naturals, 12-hour blush. That's awesome. It won't fall off your face. We received eye brush set, which I am desperate in need of. A new set. And we got another blush, different color. What color is this one?
That's
Blissful.
It shows it on the side, I think.
It's Blissful. Let's see what it looks like.
They're really pretty.
Ooh.
I have blushing
It's
gray
pretty on the
eyes.
inside.
Prettier on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
That's like, most people should be pretty on the inside, right? That's the important part.
Yep.
And there you go, right now. There you go. Okay.
Here,
Show them that one. You can show them that one.
Get it open.
Right,
yeah,
yeah.
good
I
packaging.
have good nails.
It won't
Right.
open easily, so.
We also got the Tarte Skincare Drink of H2O. Hydrating Boost. Oh yeah. This is all Mama. Mama needs the moisturizer. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, look at the container.
Pretty.
Super pretty. Looks mermaidy. Hold on. Let's see what it smells like.
I want to smell.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I wish I had smell-o-vision. You guys could smell this. It smells so good. It's so pretty. It looks like the sea.
No, let's put it on my hand.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. And don't mess with it anymore because it's mine. It's all mine.
Just put it on my hand.
And then we got Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 Setting Mist,
Put it on. Does it
which is
smell?
awesome. Let's see. Uh-oh. Let's see what it smells like. Well, I might as well just set it. That was kind of... I feel like I got rained on. I feel like I got rained on, man. I feel like I got rained on.
Well, this Rainforest of the Sea.
Oh, man, when it smells good, smell it.
Oh
Oh my god.
On my face.
It smells like
Oh my
citrus.
god.
Yeah, it totally smells citrusy. It smells like an orange. It smells like I just went into an orange. It smells super yummy.
I
Okay.
smell super yummy.
And then we got, ooh, Lights Camera Lashes,
I love that mascara.
4-in-1 Mascara.
That's the best mascara. Actually, no, I don't.
So cute.
It's just really good mascara.
It is my favorite mascara. Okay, ooh.
Those are so.
This is all me. 911 Under Eye Rescue Patches, Tarte Skincare. Because Mama has allergies and Mama never has enough sleep. I don't know any mom that does, do you?
Kids. Moms with no kids.
Moms with no kids? Then they're not moms. Maybe before they have the kids.
Women with no kids.
Okay, they get sleep.
I think.
Okay.
They
is
don't. There's problems.
a Picture Perfect Eyelash Curler. The Little Mermaid bottom. How cute is that?
When it comes with a little.
It comes with a little travel size mascara.
Yeah, lights, camera, lashes.
Yep, Lights, Camera, Lashes. Okay, what else do we got here? Oh, what is this? Sea Brightener.
Eye treatment.
This will be for Mommy too. Let's see.
Is it smelly?
Like smelly, like good, or like smelly, smelly cat?
Why do you know what it It looks pretty.
It doesn't really have a smell. It's kind of unscented, right? I don't smell anything.
It
Of course, I've been sick.
It's like a faint
smells like-
smell.
it smells like fruity, but like
Not.
not.
It's like very faint
It's like
smell.
fruity, but like not.
Mm.
So not fruity.
It is fruity.
Ooh, Pout Prep Lip Exfoliant. Also for Mama
Like
because
lip scrub.
you guys don't need that. You guys are. Look at how cute that little container is. Let's see if this one smells good.
I want to smell it first.
It smells minty. No, don't put your nose in it. I don't
I'm
wanna-
not putting my.
I don't want to scrub my nose with my lips with your nose.
It doesn't.
Just scrub my lips with your nose.
No, you just scrub my nose with your lips.
Okay.
Yay, the fun part.
Peanut butter, my chocolate and my peanut butter. You know.
That doesn't make sense.
And this is the
Tarte in Bloom.
Tartlet in Bloom. I'm gonna have to hide this from them.
No, you're not.
And look at this. Look at all these cool colors.
Ooh,
And we'll let Isabella show you. She's been chomping at the bit to get to this.
I want to show the next one.
You want to show the next one? Let her show this one first.
Ooh, it comes with a nice little
Kit.
like I don't know what you call it. Different. There's 4
Tutorials?
Yeah,
Different
it
ways.
gives you 4 different looks with the different shadows you can put on it. See, look at that. That's cool.
Okay.
You're going to
Helps
show
people
here.
like me that don't know what they're doing now.
Hey, at least you're learning. No, can't wear it out, but not right now. But at least you won't beat your prom like I was and have to have someone else put your makeup on. That was embarrassing.
Look him.
My friend Lou had to put it on for me, and I looked crazy.
It's so pretty.
All right, you
One
can.
of them's broken.
It happens. It happens. It happens.
Ooh, but there's a lot of cute nude colors with
If you like nudes, this is for you.
yeah, there's a lot of nudes with a few shimmers in there, a lot of transition shades.
Let's see how the pigment is.
I'm gonna
Test it
swatch.
out. Swatch the pigment on your.
Okay, we're gonna swatch
Swatch that one.
Firecracker,
Firecracker.
which is a shimmer.
That sounds good for 4th of July. Ooh.
Holy pigment!
Holy pigment for real. Bam, shabam, boom. Holy wow. That's awesome.
Holy wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to show this one?
No!
Yes. This
Hey,
is
ka-ching! We were listening to Cardi B earlier, sorry. Okay,
Quoting
this is
Cardi B.
quoting Cardi B.
Quoting
Okay.
Cardi B.
Okay, Tarte High Performance Naturals Aspen Ovard Eye and Cheek Palette. I follow her on Instagram and I love her, so this is, I'm excited about this one. Okay. That one's for you, Gabby. That's not for you. It's
Lots. Again,
Wait,
lots of nudes, judging by the box.
okay.
It's pretty packaging.
The packaging is gorgeous. I just
And they
want
have nice big mirrors in them.
to. Ooh.
Great for travel.
And they're. Oh, nice.
Ooh.
You wanna
Can I
try?
swatch one?
You can swatch one.
Swatch a
Swatch a different one than she did. The fire. That's not firecracker, but it looks
Swatch
similar.
it.
Hard gold.
That's like firecracker. Let's
swatch
try.
a
In the
different
summer?
one. Swatch a
Yeah, try it.
matte.
Swatch a matte. Swatch a matte.
Can I
Like this?
swatch this
Yeah,
shimmer?
do the high school. What's it called? High school.
I want to do married life.
Okay, married life. Do married life.
We're just
Is it even gonna show up on your skin?
no.
That's probably something. Maybe I should do that one. I'm slightly darker.
I want to try.
It's like a very like
You have to have the right. Well, we're pretty fair right now. Like we're at the beach, but it was cold, so we didn't get a lot of sun.
road trips.
Which one is that one?
Road trip.
That's not road trip.
Yeah,
That's
road trip.
Oh, we'll do one.
I do more than
Oh, so you're doing 3. So what did you do?
That's the married life. That's the road trip, and that's the wonderland.
if
Wanderlust.
you're on the more pale side like we are.
Married life, road trip, and wanderlust.
There you go. Okay, don't fall.
I
You're gonna-
swatched it in the wrong spot.
Anyways, they're really pretty. Here, put the little thing back on so they don't get all.
Protector.
There you go. All right, and then we got. Oh my goodness.
There's so many.
Oh my god!
We got. Okay, there's so many. Oh my gosh, there's so
Lippies.
many shades, so many lippies.
So many.
Insane in the membrane. Insane in the
We should just show him the box.
Brain.
Oh, come on
We
now.
should just show him the box first.
Okay, so this one is.
5 o'clock.
Okay, so this is from their
Rainforest did the Sea collection.
Yes. And this is 5
5
o'clock. Because it's always 5 o'clock where?
Lunchtime?
Somewhere. Come on, you guys are making me feel old. All right. Okay, stop. Hey, keep it down. Shh. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that's a color I could rock. I could rock that color for show.
Okay, here's a skate. Oh, it has very pretty packaging. It's like a pinky color.
It's like a, yeah, it's like a mauvey plum.
Yeah.
It's not too pink. It's super pretty.
Yeah.
Well, it does look pink right there, but it doesn't look pink here. It's
Looks
more
kinda
mauvey.
red.
It's like a natural. It would be like a natural
It's
lip
like
color.
a natural pink.
For me, it would be natural lip color because that's about my lip color. You got one? You want to? You're not doing these? Okay.
Yeah, I got plenty I want to
Hold on. Okay, this one is pink lemonade. That's the girl's favorite to drink.
Wait, what?
Okay, you guys like to drink pink lemonade?
Yeah.
Oh, that's super pretty. Now, see, the girls could wear that because it's very light and neutral. It might be too light on me. I don't know, but it would be super
Here
cute on them.
is crushing or crushing. I don't know how you say that.
Cruisin, baby, cruisin.
I can't read, so.
This one.
Reading with Bella.
Can I start these?
Ooh, it's a very okay. So you probably won't be able to tell, but it's like this purpley nude color. It's on the darker side.
It's more of a plum.
If you put it
Yeah,
on.
See it right there. Wait, here, hit the,
Focus.
yeah, focus on that. Focus.
Oh, come on, camera.
It doesn't want to focus, but it's right there. You can kind of see it.
Can you show me this one?
Wait, we got to get through. Did we do all of them?
Not all the big ones.
All right. Which
Okay,
one?
these are color splash lipsticks.
Yes.
All the big ones like these.
Did you go through these already?
Yeah. They're
Okay.
the ones we've already gone through.
Well, which one did you not go through? You didn't do Rum Punch.
Oh.
Rum Punch sounds pretty good right now. Okay. And, ooh, I like that color.
Ew.
I know.
Those look
It's
great
very
on you.
pretty
Oh.
nude.
That's a very pretty nude.
This is.
I think anybody could rock this color.
Probably.
How do you say?
It looks
And they
really
smell really
dark.
good.
How do you say this?
Tart.
Yachting. You should know. We were just on the schooner. It's yachting. You've been,
Okay. Well, that's the. Yeah.
Can
or I
show-
guess yachting. If you say it that way, I say yachting. But
Oh, it's very
it's very dark. That's
pretty. Like
very dramatic.
purple.
It's very plum.
It's a very dramatic lip.
It's like a purpley.
This is like what the.
It's plum.
This is kind of like what I would wear in the fall at night, or even now. And it's what the girls wear on stage for ballet performances.
Yay!
Okay.
Then there are these.
What are they called?
What are they called, Boo Boo?
They are called Quench Lip Rescue.
Let me see.
Is this
Quench.
Quench Lip Rescue?
Means they're hydrating. It's a hydrating.
Color is coral, and they come in these really cute packages.
Yeah, the packages are amazing.
And then this is the color.
That is a serious summer coral for you right there.
I love it.
And they smell minty, right? Aren't these ones
Yeah.
smell minty?
Yeah. Like
Yeah. So they're and they're just so pretty. Look how pretty that casing is.
Ooh, I think
And
they
each
all
one
have.
is different. I believe.
Yeah. Oh yeah. See, this one's different. This one is berry. Hold on, let me see if I can get the focus.
Very.
Has like this little like mint and like silvery gold starfishes on it, and it is dark.
Is that a chocolate? Is it kind of a chocolate?
It's berry.
Here, let's see. Let me see. Let's see how this looks.
It's berry.
Well, let me see what it looks like. Anything. See.
Ooh, that looks good.
It's like a reddy pink, kind of.
Wait, I think I just chunked. How's it look?
It looks like kind of dark.
It doesn't look really dark
It
though.
looks like dark, but not that dark. It looks more of a nudie red, like.
I think it's gonna depend on what shade you are.
And then this one is another one, and this color will be nude.
Like, which
Oh, that's the one I've been wearing like a crazy person because,
Oh, it is.
yeah, I love that one.
This is the pretty packaging, and someone's already gotten into it.
Yeah, I told you, I've been rocking it.
It's this color.
There you go.
Okay, so this one,
Did you already do this one? You didn't do this one yet.
this one is called Rose.
We've not even seen all these yet. The only one I've gotten into is the nude one.
And it is a very pretty like pink color.
Let me see. No, that would be pretty on you.
Yeah, that's
Oh, but you already have something on. You want to try it on? Let's
Sure.
See how it looks on you.
Oh, that's really pretty. It's like just the right amount of like
Let me see.
gloss. It's like her exact color.
Let me see. Yeah, see, that's like super sweet for like, you know, for tween teen. That doesn't, because you know you don't want to wear a lot of makeup. But if you just want a little something just to feel a little special sometimes.
Okay, so that one was Rose.
Okay.
Ooh, I look good.
My next,
I'll
Come on, Miss Modest Mouse, my Modest Mouse.
Okay.
You're
next.
Quoting a kid in my class.
Okay.
Okay, so the next one is Cherry. Oh, this packaging's really pretty.
I know, I'm in love with the packaging.
It's like, oh, I wonder what's inside, but we get distracted by the packaging. Ooh, this is a very.
Yeah, that's pretty. That's almost a fuchsia. Put that one up
Yeah,
close.
this is very pretty. I wonder what it looks like when I swatch it. Oh, it comes off.
Oh, it's sweet. It's such a pretty color.
That's the lip.
Okay, what do we got?
This one's
Oops, blooper reel.
It's
Opal. Ooh, that's pretty. I bet that's a clear.
Oh no, there's one called clear. And it's like this color.
Here,
Let's see what
let's-
it looks like if I swatch it.
It's like you can't see it because it's probably smelling like gloss. Oh no, it was kind of.
It's like
it's
shiny.
It's like
It's
shimmery,
like
right?
It's
shimmery
like a
pearl.
pearly shimmer.
Oh, that one's really wet. Or that's my skin.
Okay.
And then we also have this other one. And guess what it's called?
Clear.
Yeah. I'm gonna be so disappointed.
I'm a psychic.
I'm gonna be so disappointed if it's pink.
If it's pink, I'm gonna.
It's clear.
It's white.
What did you do, Gabby?
I didn't do that.
Gabby ate it, so.
All right.
And there's nothing even inside there, so it's, as you would think, clear. Let's see how it shows up.
Well, let's see how it looks on top of her. She already has.
That actually turns out white.
Well, let's see how she has because she has a mat on. Let's see what it looks like on top of your mat.
I have a liquid mat on.
Mm, don't.
Oh, it makes it shiny. It's really
Yeah, it's like a gloss.
Oh, it doesn't even come off. That's nice.
And it gives some moisture to your lips.
Uh-huh.
Let me see. Oh, it looks pretty. It doesn't look, because I love mattes, but sometimes they look a little dry. But this does not. So this is,
It gives your matte back its shimmer if you want the right color.
there you go. So this is our Tarte haul. And it's a bunch of amazing stuff. We can't wait to play with it.
Yay!
Oh, we should do a video on us playing with it.
Thanks for joining. All right. We'll see you next time. Maybe we'll make a video of us playing with the makeup.
Bye.